sand filters, the sand in a filter is only good for about 5 years. On the microscopic level, sand is super sharp. If you have a sand filter out there, over the years it gets whittled down, and so the sand can't catch the dirt. You know, as the water runs through the sand, it catches the dirt, then you backwash the filter, which just sends it to waste. Sends a lot of water to the waste. None of the sand, just the dirty water. Over the years, your sand will get eroded down, and it basically does nothing. So sand filters need to be changed every 5 years, the sand inside of them.
It does start to turn to mud. It gets old, beat up, worn out, like you're talking about. And then, you know, people want to do sand swaps for their, you know, their sand filters. You might as well go ahead and get another filter. Not as effective, for sure.